welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be applying to tomato slice or tomato paste that would transform your skin. So stay put so that you can see all of this natural homemade remedy, and it's going to be superb. Okay, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. Alright, so for this we're going to be making use of tomato, and tomato helps to cure large pores. It treats acne, soft sunburns, revive dull skin. The antioxidants in tomato, especially the lycopene, helps to fight cellular damage, and it's a wonderful remedy that improves the skin. Now mixing it up with other natural remedy is going to be wonderful. And then we're going to be making use of rice. Now rice contains vitamin C, remedy that helps to lighten up the skin. It naturally helps to fight acne and pimples, and it also helps to leave the skin even tone. And then also we're going to be making use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a natural remedy that works wonders in fighting eczema, pimples, dark spots and age spots. We're also going to be making use of brown sugar. Now brown sugar has smaller granular particles which helps to glow up the skin. It helps to remove fine lines, it evens out the skin, and it also helps to rejuvenate the skin, opening up the clogged pores and helping to smooth out the skin. So what we're going to do is that we're going to cut the tomato into 3 pieces. I have 3 here. Alright, so we're going to be cutting this into pieces, and we're going to be using this. Alright, so we're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of the brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So we're going to be scrubbing the skin with this baking soda, rice powder and the brown sugar plus the tomato. Okay, so let's go and use this, and let me tell you how it is. Alright guys, so here is the tomato, brown sugar, okay, here I can see that, rice powder and baking soda. Okay, so we're gonna be using that, and I personally am going to start with using the rice powder. So which one are you going to start? You can either start anyways. So I'm going to start by taking one of the tomato, and then I'll be dipping it into the rice powder, and this is how it is. Rice powder, okay. You want to start with the rice powder too?
Yes, rice powder.
Okay, so I'll use that to scrub, okay? Now you can actually use any of these 3, or you may also decide to use the 3 as a go. It depends if you have the time, okay? As you scrub it, you will have to squeeze out the juice of the tomato, okay? So that it won't be dry on your skin. So I'll have to go to the next one. This is rice powder. We'll be back. We'll have to wash it out and come back to test to show you how the other two ingredients is. Yeah. Okay, so the next one I'm going to basically be using the baking soda. So which one are you using?
Baking soda.
Okay, so what you do is that you have to squeeze out the juice like that, little by little, so that the baking soda actually goes into the tomato, just like this. Okay. Okay, so that then you have to use it gently because baking soda is actually aggressive sometimes, you know, so you have to use that gently on your fish.
Yes, especially if you have a tender skin.
Yeah.
Feels good.
Yeah, none of them feel good.
Feels good though. Which one is that time? Sorry.
Yeah, the baking soda. So I'm actually going to be scrubbing my lip also, especially with the baking soda. And I'm gonna go wash it out and we'll be right back to use the brown sugar. Okay, so we're done washing the baking soda out, and now we're going to be using the brown sugar. Now I love to pack this brown sugar onto my skin, like I'm packing it really good. I love it so well. I actually decided to use it last because man, it does a whole lot of miracle on my skin. Okay, because right now I have some few amount of dark spots. My sister's face is flawless.
Flawless.
But of course, it's also going to help you for those white hairs.
Yeah.
You know, it's going to remove all of those white hairs. And so you have to gently scrub it. Make sure you scrub everywhere, both your lip. Okay, if you get into your mouth, of course, don't swallow it, but it is edible. So this is
It's
how it looks
sweet.
like. Yeah, it's sweet, yeah. Okay, so after that, I'm actually going to go and wash this all off, and we're going to be right back to tell you how the 3 is on our skin. Guys, so we're done. So you can actually choose from those 3 and scrub your face with it. It's going to help you so much. Now the first one was rice powder. Rice powder is basically very soft on my skin, and I need it so well to, you know, brighten up my skin, because my skin is actually very dull like these days because of, you know, my present state, you know. So how was it on your own skin?
Oh,
The rice powder.
It was okay. It was normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the baking soda is sometimes very aggressive, like, sorry, not aggressive, but aggressive. It's abrasive, okay. But you have to, like, you know, use a little force. You don't need to like scrub it too well, but what it does is that it softens your skin, remove white heads, and it also removes dark spots. Yeah, softens your skin.
Yes.
And then the rice, the brown sugar helps me, like, basically to remove all of those white heads.
And me too.
Yeah, on my skin, and it helps to, you know, make the skin really smooth with the baking soda, of course, alongside with the rice powder. So go try any one and let me know at the comment section. I'll be right back. Okay, so just like we have illustrated for you guys, for me, I love, you know, the feeling of tomato and brown sugar, because it helps so much to unclog all of my pores. and then the tomato plus the baking soda softens the skin, removing dark spots, and then the rice powder also lightens up the skin. So even if you decide to use the 3 at a go, just like we did, okay, you are going to be loving it because it's going to be so superb. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.